The organization of IACMI has been so crucial through convening with members meetings and learning about the industry and the supply chain and different vendors that are around to supply different services, to then catalyzing projects with members and really networking across this entire vast organization and supply chain of composite materials.
What our real purpose is to solve the techno-economic challenges that keep composites from being more ubiquitous and more widely specified in a number of industries.
IACMI checks all the boxes. You have meaningful research and development. You have a large number of partners across the full ecosystem. You have workforce development activities, including ACE and metal, and you have community support.
When I think back to when it got started, we were early adopters. We were trying really to develop an industry. But today, as I look at it, IACMI 2.0, we're in a much better position.
We started with IACMI 1.0, everything around lightweighting, and where we really had great success.
The lasting impact has been the partnerships, the collaboration, and the network that we've been able to participate in.
Leveraging is really what IACMI is all about. It really takes a composites community to take a product into commercialization, to invent the technology, to leverage not only the capabilities and resources, but to leverage the relationships.
The opportunity to network and to collaborate is a catalyst for all types of other activities. It broadens your circle of friends, if you will, and allows for interactions that would never otherwise have taken place.
Composites, like Industry 4.0 software, it's cross-cutting and it's about tomorrow. And that's why for the last 10 years, we've made an investment in IACMI because we believe that it's critical to be in the game and up front.
We used the first 5 years of IACMI really to build up these capabilities, and now we have everything in place to hit the ground running, so that's really exciting.